This is some of the busiest track in the QR network, linking Brisbane's two major inner city stations, Central and Roma Street. Replacing it was a major design and construction challenge for QR. The Roma Street Scissor Diamond is the most complex track section ever installed by QR in a single event. An 80-metre-long combination of a diamond crossing and 4 turnouts, which had to be installed without disturbing commuter trains. The Easter weekend was the only opportunity all year to get the job done. Because of the complexity of the job, project planning called for the trial assembly off-site of the entire section. Every sleeper, every piece of rail, every component placed to test the accuracy of fit. Then position marked and colour coded. By the time it was disassembled, the Scissor Diamond section was like a giant jigsaw puzzle. After an extensive planning phase, the QR track, signal and overhead wiring teams were briefed. Safety was paramount. Timing was critical. The project replaced the existing 47 kg per metre rail on timber sleepers with low maintenance 60 kg per metre rail on concrete sleepers. The difficult site, inner cutting with a tunnel portal at one end and electric wiring overhead, made the task all the more challenging. Tight geometry on the track section dictated that the diamond and 4 turnouts all had to be interlinked. The section incorporated a similar flexure tangential turnout with in-plate switch rollers and asymmetric switches. The switches are manufactured from through-hardened asymmetric rail with a brittle hardness of 480. Early work included removing the old rail and sleepers, then excavating ½ a metre, often in rock, to accommodate the deeper track structure and new subgrade. At the heart of the diamond crossing, a first for QR, 6½ metre long concrete sleepers, weighing 1.5 tons each. These sleepers support both the diamond and 2 outer tracks. Because of the complex geometry of the tracks, each of these 47 sleepers had to be positioned precisely. With each sleeper numbered, the installation proceeded according to schedule and without a hitch. Then, the 60 kg head-hardened rail with RBM long-life crossings. The pre-planning and trial assembly work was paying off, as complex sections of rail settled onto their predetermined positions over sleepers, and colour-matched rail ends slipped neatly together, ready for welding. The around-the-clock construction program, a complex sequence of removing old track, installing new, and constructing temporary tracks to provide access. By Sunday afternoon, with the track geometry in place and the project on schedule, QR's modern track machines were lifting, lining and packing ballast, leaving signal and overhead wiring crews plenty of time to prepare the section for the resumption of normal services. The replacement of the Roma Street Scissor Diamond was a significant capital investment for QR. The 93-hour construction program required complex precision work with close coordination between the different work teams. To replace a 25-year-old piece of track which was badly worn and required frequent and expensive maintenance. The job was a significant success, the result of comprehensive and detailed planning and liaison and close cooperation between QR's design team and construction gangs, safely delivering a quality outcome without interrupting commuter services during busy work times. QR, providing integrated solutions to your railway infrastructure needs.